Do you want your computer to greet or welcome you whenever you switch on or restart it? Then you can follow some simple steps in this video to do so. Now first, you have to open Notepad on your computer by searching for it. Type this line shown in the screen, and in the second line, type whatever you want your computer to speak. Once finished, save the file under any name, but make sure to put .vbs followed by the file name. After that, you have to open Run, type in the following, then press Enter. Now in this folder, copy and paste the file that you created earlier, then close the folder. Then, you have to turn off or restart your computer, and when the screen turns on again, your computer will speak whatever you typed from the previous window. And that's how easy you can make your Windows computer greet you on Bootup every time. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.